So for those of you who did not get a good laugh today, I'm going to post a picture of my first piece of metal yard art. I'm not going to tell you how long this took me. I will never get this time back. But there it is in all of its, let's call it glory. So don't worry, it's not done. I'm sure I can butcher on it more. But there's my first attempt, an attempt I'm using very loosely. So there you go. There's your laugh for the day. You're welcome.
So this is what got it all started. I made this rake, millipede or centipede, whatever you want to call it, and then it just kind of snowball effect from there. As you'll see, I just kept putting stuff together and then I got the idea while doing it all, maybe I could sell some of it to fund my shop projects since everything's so expensive. I'd have no budget for this 48 Ford, so I thought, well, let's do this. We'll see what we can do. So once I got started, I just kept making things, one thing after another, until I ended up with, I don't know how many different pieces. I think got enough now to do a venue, set up a booth and maybe sell some of it.
So progress on the old 48 Ford is going pretty slow. Engine, this 302, it's all seized up, is still sitting in it. I've got a lot of stuff unbolted, but it's got a little ways to go before I can pull it because I've got sidetracked. As you know, these projects are very expensive, and the grocery store and electric company are the same. You know, things are getting super outrageously priced. So, in order to get some revenue going for my shop projects, I've started some yard art. So here we are with my 7.5 foot flower. It's going to be, this is the base, there's the pole for it. So I started making some yard art, shop art, whatever you want to call it. We've got an owl, we got a fish going on, just trying to make some stuff. Going to set up some booths at some of the county fairs, that kind of thing. Also made a couple of these things. Maybe I'll go into the chain business. Yeah, so anyway, shop art, yard art, whatever it may be, to try to generate some money. And I'm using this first gen Harbor Freight piece of junk welder to stick it all together, which that's about all it's good for is the dog turd some welds on this stuff, make it stick together. So anyway, just thought I'd give you guys a little update of why there isn't much going on with the 48, because I've been busy trying to get a bunch of this stuff going on to sell at some of the local venues around here, try to generate some money. So that's where that's at. All right, so here's a few other things I've made for my yard art money maker, whatever you want to call it. I got some wrench fish, some shovel faces, some birds, alligators, bugs. So yeah, this is what's been keeping me busy, and I haven't had much time to work on that 48. So it's an expensive hobby, and hopefully this will generate a few bucks to put that 48 together.
Well, so let me know what you think about my yard art, shop art. Leave a comment. Yeah, let me know what you think. I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, maybe help my videos get going a little bit better, and maybe I can make some money off my videos instead of having to fall back on yard art. I don't know. But anyway, thanks a lot. Catch you guys next time.